Hello everyone and welcome back to SHOEGR Academy, and we have another exciting video for you. So plenty of you asked that whether our SHOEGR Ultimate Kit is suitable for cleaning sports shoes. The answer is of course yes, yes and yes. The SHOEGR Ultimate Kit is perfectly suitable for cleaning your sports shoes. And to show you an example of it, today I have the Cricut sports shoes. And they've been obviously worked out, as you can see, and played well on the field. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For this, I'll be using our SHOEGR Shape It. Then of course our Ultimate Kit that comes with 3 brushes, a solution and a microfiber towel. And of course we cannot forget our very own collapsible bowl. And then the highly absorbent mat so that we don't ruin our beautiful table. So let's start. All we need is some water. First, let's prepare the elixir, as I must say. 3 quarts of sugar solution. 1, 2, 3. So first and foremost, we'll take out the laces, and as the drill goes, I will keep the right shoe for comparison basis for later and work my way on the left shoe with our Ultimate Kit. This is it, and we'll just dip it in the solution. So first, because the shoe has different materials, you can see there is mesh, there is leather, and there is very hard plastic as well, obviously because you need it as a player for running on the field. So, and for this we have all the 3 kind of brushes. First we will just dust off the dirt and grime that is stuck on the mesh with my soft brush. Now I will use the SHOEGR Shape It and insert it in my shoe so that I can apply the adequate amount of pressure. I will go ahead with a soft brush, just dip it and start my way on the uppers. The soft brush works perfectly on the mesh, so don't worry about it being damaged. Now we will just take a microfiber towel and wipe the foam off and look at the difference. Okay, so the soft brush has done its work, but we can clearly see a few stains. But because the mesh is delicate, so all we need is a microfiber towel. Dip it and just rub it. While the upper looks pretty clean, so now let's move on to the midsoles, and for that we have a medium brush. Well, the midsoles look great, and now we will go to the outsoles. And for that we have a hard brush. Dip it and just dig in. Just look at the amount of dirt it had, imagine. Okay, so we are done with the shoe as of now, so I'll get to the laces. I'll just keep it on the side. Just rub, 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 rub. And this is all clean. Okay, so we're done with the laces. These need to dry. We are done with the shoe as well. But we have to leave it for air dry because it will take some time. And you will see the result in no time. So hello wonderful people, and we are back with a brand new day. And supposedly not so brand new but super clean sports shoe. Now you've seen it's completely air dried. We left it overnight, and also now you can see there's a stark difference between what it was and what it is now, and I will show you. So this is how it looked initially before we used the Ultimate Kit. Okay, so guys, this was it for our Ultimate Kit, but I would like to make an announcement that we have a wonderful competition going on in the honor of World Cup 2023. Everybody is rooting for Team India, And with that, you have a chance to win a brand new pair of Nike Air Force 1. All you have to do is go to our Instagram. All the terms and conditions as well as how you can participate is given there. So do participate, hurry up, go Team Blue, and I hope World Cup is in India this time and it will stay in India. So guys, do participate, and this was it for this video. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Subscribe to our channel and take care.